Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 9th, 2022. We're going to talk about Tesla and how so many analysts are trying to reduce their price targets in Tesla, all because of the price going down. That's one of the negative things about looking towards analysts and their reports, is because it's always at the end, it's always after the fact. Once price goes down 20-30%, then they want to come in and say, oh, okay, let me lower my price target to a lower price. Let me show you all what I think the market in Tesla is about to do. Right now, you guys can see that I did a video in Tesla on October the 4th, 2022. And I can't say that we're not surprised to see the market in Tesla go down. We anticipated that. We talked about that on October the 4th. So congratulations to those who was able to grab this out the market. You guys can see that we ended in profit in this prediction, 8%. Now I'm still seeing weakness though. Yeah, I'm still looking for the market to kind of run down to 216. Let me show you all this on a longer term time frame though. Look at this on the 5-weekly chart. Okay. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm gonna keep it real. I can see why analysts are reducing their price targets in Tesla. Look at this 5-weekly price bar, for instance. Look at this one right here. Okay. This 5-weekly price bar literally erased the last 5-weekly price bar. So that's a total of 15 weeks. The market in Tesla went from 215 all the way up there to 320, 315, $315. 15 weeks. All of that time, all of those transactions, all of the volume, all of the buying, all of the selling literally was erased in 5 weeks. So you have 15 weeks of price in Tesla trying to go up and 5 weeks of all of it being erased, going back down to where it started. That's massively weakness in Tesla. That's on the 5-weekly chart. Okay. Look at Tesla on the 2 weeks. Again, we can see it for what it is. This is not a bullish chart right now in Tesla. Be careful of anyone that is telling you that this is a buying opportunity, because the chart is not reflecting that. Not on the 5 weeks, not even here on the 2-weekly time frame, and definitely not on the weekly. Look at that. Massive spike came through into the market in Tesla. You rarely see a gap this wide in Tesla. Rarely. On a weekly basis. Look at that. So that kind of tells me that the market is broken in Tesla. Now, it may not be as broken as it is in Meta. Like, take a look at when the market in Meta fell. It caught the market off guard, right? Look at that. And the market in Meta hasn't been the same since then. It hasn't. So in Tesla, we kind of got the same idea with this gap. Like, the market is being disconnected in its belief that, hey, we once was bullish. We once were buying the market in Tesla, but something changed. The mentality of the market has changed in Tesla. We need to change right alongside with it. I'm here to give you the 100. I'm here to keep it a buck. We need to change with the market changes. Now, we can tell that even though a lot of other stocks in the stock market has seen drastic downswings, 50, 60, 70, 80%, Tesla has not been that particular market yet. And I stress that word yet. Could we about to embark on Tesla dropping 50, 60, 70%? Don't think that is not out the realm of possibility, because all those other stocks that I mentioned that's down 50, 60, 70, 80%, a lot of people who bought the market in those stocks felt the same way. And here we are today. Tesla could be the next one up. Let's talk about it, because we are not seeing the market in Tesla in this once massive bullish uptrend, right? So we're not bullish. Nope. Could we be in a consolidational trading range in Tesla? Yes. And that is what I'm actually trying to establish here into the market in Tesla, to get the confirmation on is if the market in Tesla is going to consolidate. Because if it is, then it's cool. We understand that the market's going to continue to buy at certain areas and it's going to lift at certain areas. Okay. So I'm looking for the price in Tesla still to go down. That's my price prediction. I'm not going to change this price prediction, but I want to extend it. Okay. Right here. So I'm going to lower my price target in Tesla. I'm going to bring this horizontal line down towards this area around 205. Okay. So this is going to be my another price target that I'm going to look for the market in Tesla to go. And then I'm going to look for it if we continue to see the weakness, because when I look at this spread on the 5-weekly chart, that 180 seemed plausible as well. Yes, it does. 180 seems plausible given the width of this week 5 weekly price bar. Now, we'll have to give the market that time, 5 weeks, to allow us to see it come down to 180. Okay, I'm not telling you that it's going to happen in 1 day. I'm not telling you that it's going to happen in 3 days. We have to get in the market at least 5 weeks for us to give it the ability to go down to 180. Okay. Now, my other price targets that I did into the market in Tesla still stands. Okay. I'm still looking for that market to run down to 216. But then I'm going to lower it ultimately down to this area now. Okay. Now, Tesla on the monthly chart, it doesn't look positively well, neither here. The market in Tesla looks kind of sick. Look at the month of August, month of September, and look at how we're starting the October month. Let me show you all the 3 months in Tesla. And here we are right now. So it's going to be real imperative for the buyers to confirm that they are willing to prop up this stock's price around 205. My other price target is around 216 though. So nothing's changed. I just wanted to come in and address how these analysts are reducing their price targets after the fact. Like the market in Tesla has already seen a reduction in price from 315 to 225, 28, 29%, right? Yeah. So let's see how low it's going to go now. Give me your thoughts. Give me your price target and let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different. For real. Trade different.